Hey everybody, it's Jacania Lawrence from Memphis, Tennessee, better known as The Fox. Wanted to come to you all with a quick video. People have been asking me what exactly is the Get Lit Kit with Tava Lifestyle. And so I just want to tell you what it all entails. It entails our Tava Caprice CBD infused coffee. Now the CBD infused coffee does not contain THC, which gives you that high feeling from smoking or the other properties. This is the CBD that has the healing properties in it, more of a medicinal term for it, okay? But we do not make any medical claims. This is going to help soothe your body, your mind, and your soul. It's going to make you relax. It's going to give you that great coffee taste. And basically it's going to help boost your energy. Now with this Caprice coffee, we also have added our Vita Plus, which is now called Flare. So if you get Flare, it is the same thing. We just changed the name and our packaging on it. So we went from Vita Plus to Flare. It still is your same energy booster. It has an appetite suppressant or appetite control in it. It does help to aid with losing weight. It works on a cellular level to increase your energy and boost your metabolism. So these two together becomes our Get Lit Kit. I have these available for a 5-day supply, 10-day supply, as well as a 30-day supply. Guys, look at the link below. Order your Get Lit kit today and take the challenge. I have already taken them, in the process of taking mine right now. As you can see, I have my Fox cup. You see that beautiful, beautiful color in there. Fix your coffee the way you like your coffee. Put your sugar, your cream, your whipped cream, whatever it is that you do to your coffee in the morning to make it great for yourself. You can absolutely do that with the Caprice coffee. It's not going to change its properties at all. So guys, simply enjoy and have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.